Welcome back to Devices Setup channel where we help you resolve issues related to different devices and gadgets. And today we will learn how to reset an Eero Mesh Wi-Fi system. So if you need to reset your Eero, you can do so by hitting the small reset button on your Eero device. So on Eero first generation, the reset button is on back, and on Eero second generation, the reset button is at the bottom, and on the Eero beacon, the reset button can be found on the left side. Now, you can use the reset button to perform two distinct actions: a soft reset and a hard reset. So, a soft reset will clear all network configurations from the Eero but preserve its sessions. This keeps the Eero on your network and saves its logs and advanced settings such as IP reservations and port forwarding configurations. To soft reset your Eero, hold the reset button until its LED flashes yellow. That means you have to hold it for 7 seconds, then release it. After a few moments, the Eero LED should return to solid white and appear with a green outline in the Eero app. And in a hard reset, it will clear all network configuration, clear its sessions and logs, and remove the Eero from your network. So if the Eero has an active internet connection, you can achieve the same results by removing the Eero from your network via the Eero app. Moreover, if you perform a hard reset on your gateway Eero, the one connected to your modem or upstream device, you will remove the entire network and all settings from that network. If you need to only hard reset one Eero, we recommend swapping out your gateway for another Eero if possible. To hard reset your Eero, hold the reset button until the LED flashes red, that is for 15 seconds, and then release it. After a successful hard reset, the Eero LED light will reach a flashing blue state, indicating that the Eero is ready to be set up again. So this is how you can reset your Eero, and if you find this video useful, do kindly hit like and subscribe button. Also, you can get in touch with Eero support. The link is provided in the description. Moreover, we do also provide independent support. So if you need help with any device like computer, printer, cameras, router, etc., then get in touch with our representative on our official website devicessetup.com. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.